Hey, what's up, guys? So we have in Python we have and we have or, and I'll give you some examples. And you see, if you can see up here, I'll put age equals 20, and I'll put right here has bartender friend equals true. So you have this person in this sentence has a bartender friend, um, and I put if age is more or equal to 21, or has bartender friend colon space print can drink. And so it searches this, you have this, and you have this, and it searches this statement. And obviously, or, you have to have one or more for it to pass through. And obviously, has bartender friend is true, so can drink. And if you want to look up here again, when you do this, make sure when you do uh, greater than or equal to, see right here, make sure you put the greater than or the less than in front of the equals, because if you put equals greater, it's going to say syntax error. So just make sure of that. And we're going to go on to we're going to go on to the and. All right, guys. So we're going to go on to and so if you look up here where I put age equals 20, has bartender friend equals true, meaning they do have a bartender friend. And then I'll put the statement here: if age is equal or greater than 21 and has a bartender friend, print can drink. So obviously you have to have both because it says and, so it checks for both. So it goes up here and says, has bartender friend? Yes, we do. Has bartender friend. If age is equal or greater than 21, age equals 20. Nope, this doesn't exist. So you need both for and. So it comes down here, print can drink. Nope, can't drink. Else print can't drink. So it says can't drink. And so, like we said before in the previous lessons, when you have else means if all this, if something is here is not true, then it goes here, else, yes, it is true. So it just checks for whatever's else that's available. So that's it. Hopefully it helped you out. Thanks.